Guys, welcome back to my channel. So tonight I will be doing a braided hairstyle on my locks. This style I saw on Pinterest and I started seeing a whole bunch of styles that I thought would look so cute with my hair. So it's basically trying to do like straight hairstyles on my locks. I'll be putting the style somewhere right here so you guys can see it. And that's the style I'll be doing tonight. I hope you like the video. Gonna need rubber bands, hair ties, and some hair accessories for this style. The first thing that you're going to do is that you're going to section your hair into two sections. You're going to section your hair into one bigger section, and then you're going to take from that bigger section some smaller sections so you can braid them. You're going to braid it all the way to the end, and then it depends on how uneven your hair is. You might need a rubber band to secure the ends, or if your hair is quite fine, you can just twist the end and it all comes together without coming out. I normally just secure mine by just twisting the ends because my hair is long enough. I have some uneven, but they're not that long where I need rubber bands to secure. Okay, so you're going to go ahead and do the same thing to the next side of your hair or the next sections of your hair that you decide to take out. Make sure you get all your hair that you're going to need in one place and not mix them up with the hair that is caught up in the bun, because that can cause a little bit of confusion when you're about to do the rest of them. So you're going to make sure all of that is done. Also guys, you don't have to do your hair as small as I am doing mine or even as big, because maybe you want to do it even smaller. So you can do them smaller or big. You can even twist if you want, so you don't have to braid, you can also twist. And you're going to just do the same thing to the ends and tuck in the uneven hairs somewhere in the braid so it doesn't show when you're finished. So after this one, I'm going to go ahead and do the rest of my hair off camera, or most of my hair off camera. Then I'm going to get back to you and show you what I've done so far and talk to you a little bit on what I'm going to do to the front of my hair. Okay guys, so I'm back. I have about 3 braids to go. I decided instead of doing a center part, I'm going to do a side part, or it's not much of a side part, but it's a little bit off the center. I normally do side parts for everything that I'm doing with my hair. If you watch the previous video, you'll see that I also did a side part for the side bun that I was doing, mostly because I think that side parts fit my face more and it just carries off everything. So that's what I normally do. So you're gonna go ahead and choose whatever parts you want to do for your hair, and then I'll come back to you at the end, guys, or when I'm about to accessorize and stuff. Guys, my edges took forever to do. It took me 10 minutes to get them the way it looks at the end of this video. I'm gonna show it on the screen, the edge control that I'm using. I'm not sure if it's the right thing, but someone told me about it and I started using it, but it's not really working for me. So if you have any ideas on what to use and how to use it and all of that, you can comment down below. Links, anything that you can. It is much needed. Okay guys, and that is the final look before I add accessories. You can leave it just where it is right there, or you can just add some accessories. So I'm going to go ahead and add my accessories, and then you'll see how it looks at the end. Okay guys, and that is the final look. I absolutely love this hairstyle. Comment down below and tell me if you love it or what you would have done differently if you were doing this hairstyle, and tell me how much you like it. Also, don't forget to like, subscribe, and click the notification bell so you can see my video next week. Okay guys, see you next week.